Hi everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you to all new subscribers that I got on my channel. I really appreciate that you like what I do. Today I'm going to be working with the centerpiece that is going to have at least 3 main pieces and 3 votive candles. I'm gonna use as a base this is no wooden piece, it's no crystal, it's a cardboard box, and I made it by myself. So this is decoupage, and I put the lace and the ribbon under the lace as well, and it's gonna be complemented with this small box. Even it's a cardboard box that I prepare with different designs of paper. This is my hobby that I used to do when I don't do flowers, I work with paper craft. Well, the first thing that and the flowers that I will be using are hydrangeas, pink roses, baby breath. This is a ruscus, but it's Hebrew ruscus. And I'm gonna use as an accent this butterfly, pink butterfly, and 2 bamboo streams. I know this is bamboo, but I guess the name of this is midolino, but I will look for that. Believe me, I will do that later. Okay, let me start. I'm gonna put this on the side, and also I have my tools of the knife and the scissor, and my floral tape and some paper in case that I need it. I'm not gonna put obviously the oasis directly here. I got this piece of plastic that is gonna help me to keep the cardboard box dry. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is put inside a small piece, and then I'm gonna add this one. Well, I don't know if you can see clearly, but the oasis is bigger, it's taller than the plastic container. So what I have to do, I'm gonna be cutting the excess, but I'm gonna cut it under the edge because I don't want to have any problem in getting wet the box. So I'm gonna make a mark here, like this is the edge. I'm gonna cut it under that's line. Perfect. As you can see, I'm today working another space different that I used to work before. I have more light, more natural light. I love it, but I have more noise because the street is right there beside beyond the window. But I have natural light. What I will do is to tie this because I feel that I'm gonna have some kind of control of the oasis. It is necessary. Do you have to do it? No, you don't have to do it. You can put it that way and you can start working with that, and that's it. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna put inside. Perfect. There is no way that I can see the oasis coming out. But I'm not gonna be working with the oasis inside the box because I'm afraid that the box can get wet. So I'm gonna be working outside. It's gonna look a little bit ugly at the beginning, but believe me, at the end it's gonna look very nice. The first flower that I'm gonna use is the hydrangeas. These hydrangeas was white, and what I did is I sprayed the color on the just on the edge of the flowers. I have a video where I teach how to paint the hydrangeas, how to paint the hydrangeas without the problem that is look too fake. Well, this is look natural. Well, that's what I believe. Well, that's the first things that I'm gonna be working with. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the leaf, but for now I'm gonna leave it there. So if this is gonna be the face of the base, I'm gonna be thinking that I'm working inside of the box. Let me put here. It's very, very, very simple, but it looks really beautiful. Then I'm gonna use probably 3 roses. Again, I'm gonna leave the leaf because I'm not sure that I don't need it. Well, this is I don't need it because it's too low. I'm gonna put one over here. It is too long. I'm gonna cut it again. Here we go. One. Maybe I need more. 2. 3. This Hebrew ruscus, I have to cut it to have the many pieces more. I have to cut it right there. I like the shape of these stems, so I'm gonna put it here. And this is gonna be over there. Clean, clean. And now I'm gonna add the baby birds. This is not too complicated because when we have a vase so busy with the design, with so many elements, it's gonna be too much competition for the flowers and everything. So remember that the design of the vase has flowers, so I don't want to fill this too much because it's gonna be very heavy. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm not going to put it inside of the vase yet because I want to give it some time to let the water drop. Okay. Now I have to work with the smaller box. I have to bring plastic. First, I need to be sure what is the size of the box. From the air. I'm gonna cut 2 pieces to put one on the top of the other. Let me see. Yes, okay. Put on the side. I do not have a small plastic container to put inside of the small box, but I have plastic. This is the best way that you can resolve this problem. Just use a Ziploc. I love the Ziploc because it's really, really strong. I'm gonna put right here in the middle. It doesn't matter if the plastic now coming out of the box, and then we will put it, okay? I'm gonna cut the excess because what we have to take care now is do not get wet the cardboard. Okay. Get ready the tape. Probably has to use 2 tapes. This made me remember one. We have to make a gift box. use one more piece, longer than the other one, to wrap it up again. The oasis. And before working with the flowers, I'm gonna take a look if this is gonna be working fine. I made it to be, wait a minute, wait, where you going? I don't want to have this problem later. Ah, you got stuck. Okay. Uh-huh. Okie dokie. Let me see. No, I want to make it more dye. Where is the other one? Okay, right here. What I'm doing, I want to make it smaller, but right, I see here. I see here. This tape is right, there is the problem. It's really, really good. Okay. I can cut this part. I don't need it. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, better, way better. But I want to cut a little bit more this part. It's too high. Okay. Let me try again. This is dry. This is trash. This is dry. Okay, perfect. Then you have to cut this. I'm gonna cut it right now. Outside, perfect. This is gonna be very, very simple. I have not too much space, but I don't want to make a mess. So I'm gonna start by using just one rose right here. It's too long. Oh, maybe I can use 3 little roses. 1, 2. I have new neighbors. I don't know if you can hear. There is a new company opening beside us, and they are doing the moving in today. Okay, I don't want to have more baby breasts, but maybe I need some leaves. I'm gonna use this one. It has to be really, really short. Let me try with 3 pieces. Okie dokie. No. No, no, no. Oh, perfect. Awesome. Okay. I'm gonna start setting the centerpiece. Let me clean a little bit, and I will show you how this is gonna end, because I haven't finished yet. Okay, don't forget the butterflies. I'm going to put 2 butterflies and just the big one piece. Can you see what I'm doing? This is today a little complicated because of the cardboard box. I don't want to touch. So this is easy. You have to put one extreme among the flowers and let it touch the oasis, and it's gonna be stuck in there. And the second one is a little bit longer. I want they fly in the same direction. They fly together in the same direction. Alright. Maybe we need only one, but I will see. Okay. We have done the two pieces with flowers. I'm gonna clean this and I will let you know what's the next. Let me put this on a side. This is the third piece that I want to use. It's a clear cylinder base, and I add as an accent the same lace that the big cardboard box has. So if we have a centerpiece with 3 pieces, we have to think, and only one, the main piece, is gonna be more work and more flowers than the other one. And then you have to start reducing the elements that you have in the pieces. If not, it's gonna be way too much. Give me 1 second, I still need something else. Okay, I put all the elements that I want to put in this centerpiece. Let me see. Okay, what did I do? I add the floating candle and the cylinder base. I'm gonna try to put a little bit darker the room. You know what? This is gonna be a different design, totally different design. What you have to do is set the centerpiece and the way that the people, when they get into the ballroom to the reception area, that's the way they are gonna see it. So what I mean, that means that if the people is gonna get into this side, this is gonna be the door, all the centerpieces has to be set watching the main door, facing the main door. Okay, well, this is my idea today. I really love it. I love working with butterfly. Every time that I can, I use it, and I put in my centerpieces. Not all the brides want this, but I do love it. I hope you like it as well. I'll be more than happy in answering you whatever question that you have about this centerpiece. Thank you. Have a great day.